Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I am very excited because I did order and receive the Eyescream Beauty Box for September, and I am wearing the products on my face today and I'm so excited to get into this. So this is a monthly subscription. It is $25 a month. You will receive between 5 to 7 beauty/skincare items. There's always a palette in every single box, all full-size items, no deluxe or sample items, free shipping, and they also ship internationally. This is a makeup lover's dream. Get ready to try new and amazing products every single month. We include 5 to 7 items every month. This includes tools, makeup, and skincare items, and receive a palette in every box. I'm so excited to dive in. I already have everything on my face. I did not wait. I love that they give you a little card with all the info on everything. The first item in my box is the Secret Grove palette by Gourmande Girls, or Gourmande Girls. I still don't know exactly how to pronounce it. X Eyescream Beauty. This is a $30 retail value. Get into the fall vibes with this beautiful fall themed palette. This palette is beyond pigmented and so easy to work with. It features 10 mattes and 2 shifty duochromes, 1 glitter and 1 shimmer. We are so honored to be including this new launch in our box. Gourmande Girls is a beloved Latina-owned indie brand. Their popular Halloween-themed Spooked palette will be having a sister very soon. That's exciting. I already purchased that palette. It should be on the way soon. I don't know. But yes, I absolutely loved playing with this palette today. Just look at the front packaging of it. It's like literally like fairy core, mushrooms, everything like that. I love it. And then when you open it up, the colors are so perfect for the fall time. I'm ready for Halloween spooky season, but like I want to play with some fall before then, and this is absolutely beautiful. I created a really gorgeous look with this palette. If I say so myself. I did like a little mushroom in the inner corner with a beautiful green look with the shifty shimmers in here. It's so beautiful. Paired it with like a fall themed blush, and I think it's absolutely beautiful. I think that it's really cool that they collaborated on this palette for this box, and it's one of the reasons I subscribe to Eyescream, because I feel like that's not something we get a lot anymore for Ipsy and BoxyCharm, and I've been looking for that new and great subscription box, and this is a good contender. I definitely loved the palette. I had no issues blending it. It was very much a color story that called to me, and I definitely enjoyed playing it with it today, and I love the shimmers in here. I think they work very well together, but also they work very well with all of the shades in the palette. Alright, the next item is the Galactic Matte Liquid Lipstick by Zeesea Cosmetics. This retails for $25. This matte liquid lipstick is part of the soon-to-be launched by Zeesea Cosmetics. This collection will be launching later this year for US residents, but we are able to get you guys one more piece from the collection before its official US launch. So I can't read anything on this. Like, there is nothing on this. I don't know. It is nice though. I'm wearing it on my lips. I feel like you need to like work in sections and apply very little, because a little goes a long way with this. It's very comfortable, like very comfortable, and the color looks really good with the mushroom design in my inner corner right now, so that's why I didn't take it off or anything. I kind of left it be because I thought it was fun. Also, I do need to mention that it came with like a little cute topper, but mine's broke, so I want to like glue it back into place, but it was so cute. It came with like this little topper on the inside because it's like a Galaxy collection. Moving on, the next item is a Duochrome Sparkle Shadow by Chantico Beauty. This retails for $19. You guys had such a positive response to these that we have worked on with Chantico on this brand new shade. These shadows are beyond soft and creamy, as well as pigmented and non-creasing. This particular shade shifts from pink to purple, with the shimmer also shifting to blue and green. So it's kind of like a multi-chrome. I really love that. I did use this today, but I used it with for the mushroom, I topped it with this, so it had some kind of sparkle, and it was so pretty. I really loved it. I will try to put a little clip of me doing it in, of course, but I thought that this was such a nice little addition to have with that little palette. I think it worked really well with the palette as well, but also I think the shimmers and like the shift in here is really nice, and I'm really excited to have this. I love singles. I love single shadows. I'm one of those weirdos that just I adore them, so I keep buying them. The next item is the Glowlight by SoRich Cosmetics. This retails for $15. This Glowlight highlighter is perfect for those who want a radiant, natural looking glow, providing a luminous finish that lasts all day. The highlighter is versatile and can be used on any skin tone, making it the perfect go-to for any occasion. So I was scared to use this because it's a literal white highlighter, and when I dipped my brush in, I was like, it's kind of powdery, but like, oh my god, my cheeks are like glowing, like glowing, and it doesn't look that like weird or awkward. I thought it looked kind of weird. I think it looks really nice mixed in with like the blush and everything. I think it looks really cool. I also put it on the brow bone because I do have a lot going on in the inner corner, but I did really enjoy it. I thought it was really fun, and I would use it for a lot of inner corner highlighting. I think that's what this is perfect for. And last but not least, we did get the Clean Canvas Eyeshadow Base by Gerard Cosmetics. This is a fan favorite. This shadow primer will make almost any eyeshadow last all day. It also helps prevent creasing, minimalizes wrinkles, and the white in particular helps to keep shadows true to color. Another benefit of white eyeshadow base, it creates a beautiful base for duochrome shades. This is a must-have, and I agree. I had the Clean Canvas in like the lightest shade. I think it was Fair. It was literally my favorite base of all time, and I'm trying to go through all my eye bases so I can go ahead and purchase another one because it literally was the best eye base. But now I have one in white, and I didn't use this to prime my eyes because I feel like it's a little too harsh, but I did use it for the little mushroom detail in the inner corner of my eye because I figured I would want that to pop more than the rest of this, and it definitely worked very well for that, and I definitely enjoyed that for this. I just used a really small brush, and I think that really helped me. I'm excited to use it again. I'm definitely trying to lean more into like artsy looks and trying to step out of my comfort zone a little bit, and I've definitely had a lot of fun. So I'm going to tally up everything from this box, and then we will talk about my final thoughts. My box had a total value of $111, but honestly I want to say that this was 10 times better than the last 3 boxes I got from Ipsy. This was incredible. I love Gourmande girls. I've been using their products for a while now, and I continuously buy from the brand because I just love the owner, just her personality in general. She's just lovely. The brand is very supportive in general, and I just really appreciate them. So I love this. This is just, look at it. Just look at the little artwork. The shimmer is beautiful. I can't wait to dive into this again. And then on top of that, we got another multi-chrome from Chantico Beauty, which I've never heard of, but I want to check them out from trying this out because this is absolutely beautiful. 10 times prettier than any eyeshadow I've gotten from Ipsy or BoxyCharm. Really, and then we have the Velvet Lip Cream. It's definitely like the most comfortable matte lipstick ever, and I love the color. I think it's very pretty, and I feel like it's very much transfer proof. Almost doesn't transfer at all, so another win. And then I feel like the Clean Canvas, if you want anything to pop on your look, maybe you're cutting the crease or something, this is perfect for that because it'll make any color pop. So I love this. I knew I would love this, and now I get to try the white shade, which I love. And then the highlighter is incredible as well. I was not expecting this. It was a little powdery, but once you set your face with a little bit of setting mist, it definitely helps to melt that product in. And I feel like on the inner corner and brow bone, it is going to be a moment for me, and I'm very happy to have that. So what are my final thoughts? I think this was 10 out of 10 times worth it. This was the best box I've had in a very long time, aside from the P. Louise box that I did unbox not that long ago. This isn't the first Gourmande Girls palette that's been in the box, so I'm excited to see what else the brand creates with Eyescream for that $111 value. I gotta say, I'm so impressed with this box, and I cannot wait to see where this subscription goes. Thank you guys so much for recommending this subscription. You guys have been screaming at me to subscribe to this subscription for like the longest time, and I've been like, You know, BoxyCharm continuously just fucks me, but let me continue to just buy BoxyCharm. But I'm glad that I've tried Eyescream, and I'm excited to continue opening my unboxings on camera. Did that make sense? And that is it for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. I don't know how much I paid for it. This includes tools, makeup, skincare items, secret coat. It features 10 mattes, and the colors are so perfect for the Zeesea Galactic collection. I can't really, did I only put it on one though? Minimize